let's be clear, from top to bottom, Bob's, Buju, Bounty, Movado, and I don't want it to be a secret.
Everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid.
Wanna deal with viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Naz and Trexton. Yo, where are you with me, G? Everything good?
Yeah.
Why look like me can't call you Trexton, dog?
Yeah,
look like an AI.
No!
Yeah, man, look like an AI, dog.
Dog, you don't know anything though. Image is everything. First is nothing.
Dog, we can barely hear you doing it, dog.
That's a 40.
Image is everything.
Yeah.
Thirst is nothing. But we still have a drink. Elephant man, you say, man.
Yeah, man, an elephant man.
Big up
dog.
elephant man, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Dog, you really look like one of the AI still in the dog.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have a chat about. We have a talk about a DJ, the teacher, Movado, DJ Khaled, Buju Banton. We not even say Bounty Killer.
Dog,
Godzilla.
Oh, you left out that the man.
Don't feel like for Bounty Killer, listen.
Can't left out that the man.
You see,
dog.
you know, say me is a Vibes Cartel. Me wouldn't say sheep, as Naz would have called me a sheep. But Vibes Cartel is an inspiration, and we can't be inspired and we not drink street vibes. Straight vibes.
That's why I walk with my water.
Yo, see me I pour you a drink, man. You have to drink up.
John, how are you?
Yeah, dog.
Oh, yes, I have to drink it.
You have to drink up some straight vibe, man.
Alright.
Straight vibes! Right outside.
I want him convert me still in the cause.
Convert, man.
You see me?
To success, my G.
Big up yourself,
You see me?
to success.
Yeah, man.
You know, so I first never drink it, so I'm taste it and see what I'm going with it. You see me?
Straight vibes, man. You drink this as straight vibes, you know?
Straight vibes.
Yeah, man.
You don't taste street bad still, people. You see me? Mm-hmm.
The one here,
What
the one
here,
here, the unstoppable. Unstoppable, runaway train, are we that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, big up on yourself, you know. You know what I want to do. I want to hit that subscribe button there.
Yeah,
you see
man.
me? Give thanks for the likes and give thanks for the comments them where I drop.
Yeah, man,
You see
right?
me?
That's the thing, there, man.
Enough appreciation. So,
the thing
do the do's. Yo, dog, me see the Giants, them a link up, you know, dog.
Dog,
You see
this
me?
week was a week in foreign.
Yeah, bro.
You see me?
Yeah.
Miami turn upside down, dog.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? For a minute, me hear DJ Khaled say, yo, them work on a song with Bounty Killer, Vibes Cartel, Movado. But I was surprised when I saw Buju Banton.
Buju Banton did that.
You see me? So, bro, I'm not going to tell no lie. Every album where DJ Khaled come out with where him have a compilation of great artists, bro,
Yeah.
it was always a hit.
True.
Always go platinum. So, my youth for this, dog, I can't wait to see the music video. Dog, you man, they have their own trailer, bro.
Yeah.
Every artist have their own trailer like it's a movie, bro.
You know what me appreciate about this, dog? The unity.
Yes,
Me
brother.
appreciate the unity for see Vibes Cartel and Movada, dog. You see me?
But yo-
Come together like this.
But bro, it was all about the music for them, you know. You remember when them did have that meeting there, Jamaica House?
Yeah. I remember.
You never hear Cartel talk about the meeting there where my Movado there. One side and I said, buckle up, we reach, dog. It was a joy if you see Movado and Vibes Cartel together. You see me?
Yeah.
It was such a joy, bro. If you know, say, them two man I was going at it in them younger years. And now, dog, the man, them a giant in a dancehall. You know what really get me, though? Oh, Beanie Man no get invited to these things. Like, make me think about that.
Yeah.
Like, the first time I see it, I was like, why Beanie Man not there, so?
Beanie Man, why you not did that, so?
You see me?
Boy, we can't answer that question.
Can't answer that question there. But me I tell you.
Because the man them way, where did they say we are link up? The man they represent dancehall in a Jamaica to the highest level.
Not even that.
And Beanie Man is also one of the figure of dancehall.
Exactly.
Where would that be good in the mix right there?
No, he should have did it. Let me show you something. You have one of Bob Marley Sunday.
Yeah, one of the Marleys.
One of the Marley them did it. You have whole heap of different artists in the mix, bro.
If you really look on the history of Khaled going to Jamaica still, you know, Beanie Man has always never been in the link up when him go down there, you know. I always see him with Sizzler, Capleton, Buju Banton. So I've never really seen Beanie Man in the mix. If you look on the travels them where Khaled go Jamaica before.
Hey, Beanie Man in a problem now too, you know, bro. Because you see guy will ride for Beanie Man. Man dep on social media Beanie Man bad dog. So Beanie Man no do nothing for him, brother, and him ride for Beanie Man. I don't know if you ever hear about Dan Mafia.
Dan Mafia, me heard the name before.
Long time, Dan Mafia, long time bad artist, man. You can DJ, but you have some people who are the star and you have some people who are just the person in the back. Dan Mafia wasn't a star. Beanie Man did a star. You see me? And Dan Mafia used to ride for him.
Oh, so in the background.
So right now, a lot of backlash are going with Beanie Man and Dan Mafia. You see me? So we're going to hear about that. And
then too, me say Angel drop a song where I say Beanie Man take your and Pitney.
Dog.
Bro. It crazy. But I don't believe that still, you know, because Beanie Man have money, dog, and him flaunt it. So why wouldn't you spend that money on your kids?
Sometimes, you know, bro, you have man out there, you know, dog, which prefer spending money on road and show up just for the hype, you know.
Yeah, but Beanie Man just buy a brand new G-Wagon for him girlfriend or him fiance.
Well,
why him would have neglect him kids them?
That's true still, but as me say,
I don't believe that, bro.
As me say, bro, we would have to watch and see. We have to see how that play out. We need to talk about that.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay.
We need to talk about it. Because I did read one thing too about it. You see me? But yo, dancehall is alive. Dancehall is going places where a lot of people wouldn't think dancehall would have gotten to. You see me? I tell you, me feel good. And a lot of people always say DJ Khaled a culture vulture, but DJ Khaled is more for the culture dog than a lot of other people out there.
Yeah.
Because DJ Khaled come to Jamaica for
a long
in
time
the 90s.
Long time.
You see me?
What am I selector?
Yeah, DJ Khaled come to Jamaica from back in the 90s, dog. And him been a mingle with all these artists from them time there. So, if he reach to the point in our life, dog, where him can make them even bigger, why not?
DJ Khaled massive. You know what I say?
DJ Khaled huge,
are the biggest, one of the biggest, if not the biggest producer in the world right now.
Right now.
You see me? So, with a link up like that, me have to appreciate
we
it,
the best.
Me have to appreciate
Yo,
it,
we the
bro.
best, bro. Yeah, man.
Me have to appreciate the link up.
Yo, we are do that. How the bomb like this? We the best.
Oh.
How the fuck? We are do that. Don't do it, dude. How to the youth, yeah.
But yo, the unity, you know me stay. I'll give the credit for that. I see whole heap of things that happen since Vybz Kartel returned from prison. You see me? I appreciate that. I cannot tell you say yo, if me not say it, you see me, I'm a hypocrite.
You're a hypocrite.
For real. I appreciate how him really try to bring back that unity. You see me? Him try to amend all of the wrongs them when him do. You know what I say with the artists them win this. Even in I'm sure at in New Jersey, when bring up Black Rhino.
No, but Black Rhino almost up on every show now, bro.
All right. So I mean, me can't hide the facts, yo. The man really trying best, him change him life, and him bring back the unity. I mean, appreciate that. Me can see that, and me can appreciate it. You see me?
Yo,
me can appreciate that.
You know what me happy for, bro? Me can see say the dog health improve.
Oh, all of that too.
Me can see say health improve, bro. You see me? And bro, let me tell her this. Cartel go go down in history.
Well, him already in history. I'm already in history.
Already in history already, but when
the highest paid Jamaican artist, dancehall artist.
Bro,
Can't beat that, bro. Nobody never do it so.
Me no business when anybody wants to me a sheep and me a cartel cheerleader.
Yeah, but you're a sheep.
Let me
All
tell
I
you
know with
this.
that.
Listen,
No,
bro.
you're a sheep.
You see when you see greatness, you have to admire greatness. You see me?
We give him the credits for that. Me nah lie. We give him the credits. You see me? Even though we're not a sheep nation, you see me? When you see the good, you have to highlight the good as well.
A sheep too, man. Go ahead.
No, bro.
Have a drink. Have a drink.
You see me? But yo.
You can't put on your glass and a drink, you know, sheep nation.
Hey. Me nah go drink to a sheep nation, dog. But yeah, man, so now.
We never say sheep nation, you know.
You said that, bro. I'm not drinking to that.
All right, cheers.
Unity in the dancer.
All right.
Unity in the dancer.
Yeah, man.
That is a better. Then drink.
Can't tell her do it.
DJ Khaled, big up yourself. Yes,
Big up
man.
Vice Cartel, big up Movado. Big up Gun Godzilla. Big up Buju Bantan, cause yo, I really did chat, you know. No, we not say Buju, you know. They must say Buju and I first man to come from prison and do it, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Buju come from prison and sell out multiple arenas also, you know.
And nobody never highlight that.
No, it kinda different.
Yes, it's different.
It kinda different. Yo, watch this now. From cartel come from prison, cartel not resting a dog.
Man, the need for rest, dog. The man they in prime right now, so the man.
The man not resting at all, you know.
The man have to go on, you know. That.
But,
I tell you, you know.
Buju
Next
Bantan,
5 years down the road from this.
You see the Gargamel? Big up the Gargamel. Buju is a man of joy. Buju is a happy man. I always admire that. He's a man who love laugh. Bro, you see when you have that joy and the happiness there, it's a thing, you see me?
Mad.
I love that. I love that, dog.
Mad. Yo, dog, so we could jump off of the topic there now, dog. I want thing more doing man, you.
What?
Where the Colonel put in the chicken in Jamaica.
I see cool you, come talk to me. Where boy put in a chicken?
Bro.
Finger licking.
Chaja youth. You see what going on, youth?
Bro. Craziness, bro.
Bro, me see all police have a beat, man, bro.
Dog, man, I tell man to go suck them mama for 2 pieces of chicken, dog.
Yo, Colonel, where you putting that chicken down at Jamaica, brother?
Yo, one thing, you know, we as Jamaican people, we know, hey, when freeness, they say the time freeness come, we as Jamaican people, they are front line, you know that. Like when God did that, you were free this, he say, yo, who know?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
They say, yo, free this, pull up the cup. Dog.
Yo.
But me not lie still, you know. Jamaica KFC are one of the best chicken in the entire world. You know?
Or you have to put one up. You have to say Jamaica KFC is the best.
True. Correction.
KFC in the world.
Correction. Jamaica KFC is the best KFC.
Yeah, dog. The best chicken.
For real. Because people go to Jamaica and freeze KFC and bring it back up.
Remember when me here come home, me carry KFC to the dog.
Dog, so the question is...
Right now, me vex.
Where they put in a chicken,
no,
dog?
Me vex. You know vex?
Where you vex, sir?
Dog, then do all of this when me there fine. Me should have get piece of KFC freeze to carry back see how you, bro. Dog.
Yo, Jamaicans, alright?
Yeah.
We have to be a little bit more orderly, though. You see me? You don't look good on a wider scale. Yeah, we know so we love the freeness still, you know. You see me, but yo, Jaja youth, you know, could go a little better? Eh? Nah, man.
Bro, what is now? Me I tell you something enough people don't want to admit. Enough girl belly a bun them this man in and them catches, you know.
What make?
Man, girl love KFC, man. You know what? Woman get pregnant yesterday.
You want 2 piece?
2 piece of chicken.
Oh, well, on 4 piece, because if you buy 2 piece, you get 4 piece.
Bro.
So a 4 dose of...
And if you buy 3 piece, you get a 5 that, you know.
Yeah, bro.
So me I tell you, bro.
Jaja.
A whole heap of people now go and admit it, but I truth. A whole heap of girl get the head get knock off yesterday.
Oh, yo. When we young guy now, KFC a top restaurant for carry one girl go still, you know. Look a school girl.
Up to today, day, dog.
Yeah, man.
Up to today.
Can you look a school girl got KFC, go sit down and have some, you know what I say, a 2 piece, a meal deal?
KFC a place, bro.
Yeah, man.
Me no business when nobody wants.
No, for real.
But I still got KFC.
Me not lie. So when
No
we go
matter
down
how
there,
rich me be, no matter how much money me have, I have money.
so when we go down there the other day, dog, the first place we
The
stop
first
when we
place we
come
tap
from
away,
the airport.
KFC.
KFC.
Yo, me name
You see
them
me?
couple pieces of chicken there. Yo, chicken the yat, you know.
And dog, me never got KFC at Jamaica.
And
I'm gonna see
disappointed.
a line. Never gonna see a line,
You
dog.
ever get disappointed by
You know,
eating KFC
me
chicken?
people say sometimes they get some raw chicken, but me never
Me
experience
never
it.
experienced that yet.
Me never experience it.
Never experienced it.
Me feel like probably you get it when them have the big rush, like probably yesterday.
Yeah.
I went yesterday.
I mean, hear nobody a complain to them belly them feed it food that they yam. So that means say chicken cooked properly. The only people them a complain now about them belly, a girl them will get knocked yesterday. Cause only for them. Me I tell you the truth that mere people attack and enough people not go and say it, but bro, enough girl get knocked for KFC back in the days. So why go stop it now when it's free? When you get a 1 day free. Are they on 60th anniversary?
50th anniversary.
50th anniversary. KFC, big up corporate Jamaica KFC. We don't need to do that more often. We don't have to wait till
So how them
anniversary.
control the crowd? If them have so much issue yesterday, why me keep on saying yesterday? If them have so much issue when them give out that one free meal,
You
bro.
can't say yesterday, man. Yesterday.
Yesterday happened? Well, if them have so much issue, bro, and the control, the people them out of control.
Bro, me see
How
one,
it go work?
me see one man, you know, bro. We bought 5-6 bag of KFC, you know, daddy.
Yeah, dog.
And one woman I say, yo, me there from 5 o'clock this morning. Me buy KFC every weekend. Why me not go get the free piece?
Dog, people line up at the door before KFC open.
And bro, if I was there, I would do the same thing, to
Yo,
be honest.
me only see them thing there when the new iPhone are drop. You see me?
Our
In
Black
America,
Friday- our
our
Black
Black
Friday
Friday.
deal. Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
So, you have an idea, if I was there, what would you do if you were there? Would
Me
you
that honestly,
partake?
I would partake, but me wouldn't do it so early. You know what I'm saying? But I try to get it, but
Because I did
the
a whole
whole-
day thing, no?
It look like it's a whole day thing because it was the 50th, so them do it the entire day.
Yeah. So,
You see me?
so people
I probably would have participate, but me would have participate like, you know, when the crowd die down a little bit. You see me?
And the amount of people that disrespect each other. Listen.
Yeah, bro. Me not like
Let me
that.
tell you this. 2 pieces of chicken in your life. Think about it.
Dog.
You make 2 pieces of chicken send it to your grave. Yo, you know if you have sense.
It's true.
Some
But
of
that's
them-
true, dog. That's
Some
true.
of them people that
'Cause,
move like they have no sense, bro.
yeah, it shouldn't reach to the point where police have to get involved and I beat some people with baton and
Yeah.
people are fight and you know what I say, bro? It shouldn't reach
You
to
not
that.
call for that. You not call
No,
for that.
it shouldn't reach to that. We have to learn to control ourselves and our emotion. We feel like Jamaicans are aggressive because of the heat.
And not Jamaicans alone, you know, bro. What if people aggressive, you know?
Yeah, but me I talk about we where fight over the chicken, bro. Why are we so aggressive?
Hard water people fight over it. You talk about a water free.
So let me try to show you, say, at the heat, man, me feel like them too hot. Them too hot down there, bro. We need to cool off.
Yo,
you see me?
you see all them me did one KFC and we did it. We dress up in all one black gown and paint my face white and go there with the flower and say, everybody run down.
Everybody run out time.
And we just go get the chicken and down with business. Yo, but yo, big up on yourself. Thanks to everybody who watch Rap and Chat. You get me? I say, we appreciate you a lot. Thanks to all our shares. And people, please, share with a friend. Drop a comment and subscribe. You see me? Yeah, man. Send a video them a road, man. Put them on the status. Oh.
All right.
You see me?
Big up on yourself, people.
Yeah, man. What is sound that me knows?
Yeah.
I'm out.
To success, bro.
To straight and straight vibes. You know what some more?
Bro, make we just do the toast now.
You know what some more? You know what no more?
Dog, it says unstoppable. We already have
Straight
enough.
vibe. Unstoppable.
Big up yourself,
The
yo.
success.
Like the AI man still.
Right? That's the thing there, man. I'm out.
You man promote cartel wicked, you know.
We have to promote. We have to promote.
The bigger the mango gets, the bigger the album's getting. That's right, a llama god filled with all historic collaborations. But I don't want this one particular collaboration to be a secret. I want you to know about it. I want you to feel it, and I want you to be ready for it. DJ Khaled featuring Vibes Cartel, Buju Banton, Bounty, and Movado. And the anthem's 97% done. I'm gonna get it to 100%. And then let's talk. But let's be clear, from top to bottom, on the whole Alama God, it's historic collabs. But this particular collab, Khaled, Vibes, Buju, Bounty, Movado, and I don't want it to be a secret. I don't want it to be a secret. Unity is strength. Love conquers all. Caribbean up.